Alright everybody, welcome back to another one of Will's Kitchen Tutorials. On today's kitchen tutorial, we got guest Will number 7.
Yes, sir. Hello there.
Yeah. Will number 7, what are you eating today?
Fresh whipped cream.
Fresh whipped cream. I love cream. Alright.
And you better love it whipped.
As you can see, I got a cup of steaming hot water. And I have this. Now you're like, Will, what is the tutorial? I'll tell you the tutorial. Some of y'all don't know how to make noodle soup correctly. I'm here to help with that. See this? Bye. Okay. I'll get it after, okay? We got these, we got this, alright? We got our spork, we got our imitation chicken flavor, we got our noodles. Alright.
Yes.
Now we got our hot water too. Okay. Y'all don't understand. This is how you do it properly, okay? You're gonna have to watch, okay? It's gonna happen fast. Okay,
How fast?
It's gonna be fast. I mean, you gotta really be paying attention. Oh my gosh.
Okay, fine.
Okay. This is how you make the soup. The Wills don't give up.
Interesting. Interesting. Very interesting method, I must say.
I think my mouth is a little burnt. My mouth is a little burnt. But for the soup, I love it.
Soup, that seems like a very good method. I recommend it.
Oh.
Does it melt in your mouth?
It does. Well, guys, thank you for tuning in. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and hit the bell. Bye.